So, SG, is AI going to replace jobs or will it redefine leadership?
Oh, look, we agreed that already that AI is going to take jobs. That's done. That's given. And it will take lots of jobs. It will take away most of the jobs which we have done in the past, yesterday. Those jobs are gone. Obviously, there are new jobs coming up. Now, leadership, of course. The leaders who will start now using AI will make better decisions. Leaders' job become easier because now they have more ability to assess and strategize better using AI tools. So leadership will be defined definitely by AI usage. The leaders who will just rely on their own imagination, on their own decision, they still rely on manual, decisions and getting things sorted out through manual basis will not be successful anymore. AI makes it easier for you, for leaders to take decisions. AI makes it easy for us to get a better understanding of the problems we're facing. AI gives us more solutions when we go to AI and ask for solution for our problem I'm facing or our design. I believe that leadership will be defined and will be recognized by the people who will be good at AI's usage, and they will stand out from the leaders who are still based on manual decision basis, manual way of deciding and taking decisions, even the tough ones. I'm afraid the times have changed.